everyone. This is May from Campbell's LED Company, and today it is our weekly live show. And the theme of the live show today is to introduce how to build a rental LED screen by stacking. You see here are the spare parts we prepared, and those will be used for the stacking installation. Firstly, please allow me to have a brief introduction for our company. Campbell's LED Company is a professional LED screen integrated solution provider, and we can not only provide the LED screens, but also can provide the matched accessories. So it can simplify your purchase process. And we have exported to over 100 countries all over the world, so we have much experience for the exporting of the LED screen. Next, let's start to introduce how to build the rental LED screen, and our engineer Mike. He will build the LED screen, and I will explain. Hello, Mike. He's our engineer Mike. And he has experience in LED field for over 10 years. Okay, please watch. You see, these are the panels, the rental LED panels, and these are the flat case. They are used to package the rental LED panels. And here are the spare parts that will be used in the stacking installation. This is the jump signal cable, and this is the jump power cable. And they are the main power cables. And this is the main signal cable. This is the tool to finish the installation. This is the screw, and this is the connecting plate, and they are used to fix the panels with the back bracket. And here's the nuts, and this is the plate, and they are used to guarantee the full leveling, of the LED screen. And they are the balance weight, to make the full LED screen and the structure more balanced. And here, this is the back bracket. This is the back bracket. Okay. And here, this is a video processor. Video processor is used to send the video or the image to the LED screen, and it is necessary. So for all those accessories, we can configure them. We can provide all-in-one solution. Okay. Next, let's start. Okay, Mike. Okay, first let's take out the panels from the flat cases. This is the leveling beam. This is the leveling beam, and the panels should be placed on the leveling beam. Okay, fasten the first locks. These two are the left and the right first locks, and these two are the up and down first locks. For the rental LED screens, the first locks are very necessary. And when you do the installation, please make sure there will be a person who will support the panels and to protect the panels from falling down. Okay, fasten the first locks. You see, for this panel, there is angle lock. There is angle lock, so it can reach curved design. But now we will build it straightly. You see, the angle lock can be adjusted. Please make sure there will be a person who will support the panels, protect them from falling down. After you install the back bracket with the panels, the person can be free. This is the connecting plate and it is used to fix the panels with the back bracket together. Okay, this is done. Okay, one point you need to pay attention. When there is leveling beam at the bottom, when there is leveling beam at the bottom, you need to fix the connecting plate at the bottom also. This is very important. And if there is no leveling beam at the bottom, it is not necessary to fix the connecting plate at the bottom line. So when you install the first bottom line of the panels, please make sure you need to check the details after you finish the installation for the first lines to check whether the connecting plates are connected very well. Okay, next we will connect the back bracket with each other to increase the height of the back bracket. You see the up and down bracket will be connected with each other, and then the back bracket will be higher and can fix more higher LED screen. And if you purchase LED screen from us, and we will configure the back bracket. And the back bracket is with sectional part, so it means every part can be separated with each other, and this will be very convenient for the package and transportation. And the installation is also very easy. Just use the screws and the nuts to fix two back brackets with each other. So next, please put the balance weight. Put the balance weight on the back bracket to keep the balance of the whole structure. The balance weight is very necessary. Of course, you can put something heavy, to make sure the whole balance of the structure. Okay, next we will install the second lines of the panels. And when you do the installation, please install the panels at the middle firstly. Install the panels from middle to two sides. First the up and down first locks, and then connect the connecting plate to fix the panel with the back bracket together. Connect the connecting plate. You see the steps are repeated. So now the second line is finished. And next we will install the third line. Also install the panel at the middle. The steps are repeated. Install the panels with each other. Fasten the up and down first locks, the left and the right first locks, and then connect the connecting plate. Okay, the third line is finished. And next, we will install the first line. And the first line is the final line. So the final screen size is 3 meters by 2 meters. And there are 6 panels in width and 4 panels in height. Totally 24 panels. And you see, for the back bracket, when you do the installation, the back bracket should be installed every other 1 meter. Yeah, you see, 2 panels and the length is 1 meter. When you do the installation, the 2 back brackets should be 1 meter far away from each other. Yeah. And you see the installation, the primary installation is finished, and we have installed the back bracket, the panels, and the connecting plate with each other. And next, we will connect the cables, the power cables, the signal cables, and then connect the video processor, and final send the video or the image to the LED screen, and then the LED screen will display the video or the image. So next, we will connect the power cables and the signal cables. Yeah, firstly, connect the jump power cables and the jump signal cables. And the cables is used to connect 2 panels with each other. You see, the cables are with aviation plug, and it is plug in and plug out, very safe and very easy to operate. You see, the operation is very simple. So install the jump power cables firstly, and when the power, after the power cables are connected, we will connect the jump signal cable later. So for the voltage of the LED screen, it is divided into 2 standards. The first one is 220 volts, and the next one is 110 volts. And for this LED screen, the voltage is 220 volts. And we emphasize this. It is because the carry capacity of the cables for the 2 standards are different. Yeah. This is the signal cable. Yeah, the jump signal cable. You see, this kind of signal cable is with aviation plug. You see the it is with aviation plug. And for this kind of signal cable, it is with ordinary. Yeah, it is with common standard. But the function of these 2 kind of signal cables are same. Yeah, are same. Okay. When you connect the cables, please make sure every cable will be connected with the panels very well. And in case any cables is not connected well, the power or the signal cannot be transferred very well, and then it will impact the final display effect. So please check very carefully. When you install, when you connect the main power cable and the main signal cable, please notice the side, which side is the input side and which side is the output side. This cannot be mixed. You see, this side, it is input side. Yeah, the input side, you see the power in input side. Okay, let's show you some wrong operation. Yes, some wrong operation.
你看这个插进来之后，一定要拧一下。
when you connect the signal cable or the power cable, please, after you insert this cable, rotate it and to make sure it is connected with the panel very well. And when you connect the cables very well, you can see the light is lightened. Yeah, the light is lightened, and this shows the cables are connected very well. And you see for this green light, you see now it blinks once a second, and this status is normal. And you see when the signal cable is removed, this light blinks about once 3 seconds. Yeah, once 3 seconds, and the status is not normal. So through this, you can check whether the cables are connected very well and whether the panels are in common status. So now we will power on. This is our power distribution cabinet. It is specialized for the rental use, for the rental service. And for the power distribution cabinet, it can carry more capacity, and we can provide it also. And also with the power distribution cabinet, it can connect the industrial electricity. Okay, you see we are connecting the main signal cable. Also, please notice the input side. You see for the signal cable, just now I made a mistake. This side is the input side of the signal cable. Yeah, this side is the signal input side, and for that side is the input of the power cable. And for the cable connection, we can prepare the drawing. Yeah, we can prepare the drawing to guide you the connection of the signal cables and the power cables. So please don't worry about this. Okay, next we will connect the video processor. You see for the main signal cable, one end is connected with the LED screen and another end is connected with the video processor. You see this side is connected with the video processor. And this is another cable to transfer the signal from HDMI to DVI. And this cable is used to connect the video processor and the control computer. And another USB cable. Yeah, USB cable. And also one end is connected with the video processor, and another end is connected with the control computer. Okay. And you see, just now we have connected all the cables very well, and now the LED screen is lightened. Yeah, the LED screen is lightened. But you see the picture, yeah, the image on the LED screen is not integrated. It is because we haven't started to configure the LED screen, and now we will start to configure the LED screen. Yeah, and to make the whole image into an integrated part. Our control system is from Nova Star, and the control software is Nova LCT. Yeah, Nova LCT. And we will provide the video processor and provide the control software together. For this kind of display effect, you see the image is not integrated part. Yeah, it is not an integrated part, and every panel is separated with each other. This is the most common problem. But please don't worry. This can be solved through configuring the LED screen through the control software. The control software is Nova LCP. Yeah, this is the Nova LCP. And here you can choose different language. Yeah, here you can choose different language. And you can choose the language locally. And now we choose the English. And log in. For the rental LED screen service, please select the first one, advanced synchronous system. Yeah. For the rental LED screen, the control system is always synchronous control. Yeah, synchronous control. And the password is 666. And then log in. And click the screen configuration, and next we will start to configure the LED screen. When this page is shown for the sending card, yeah, for the information of the sending card, you don't need to change anything. You just need to start it to change from this receiving card. So when you open this page, please check here. Yeah, please check here. You need to make sure the resolution of your LED screen is smaller than this resolution. Yeah, and in case the resolution of your LED screen is bigger than this resolution, you need to do the extension mode. You see, here is the extension mode. Yeah, extension mode. So now we will start to configure the data from the receiving card. Okay, the first step is to click the read from receiving card. Here, read from receiving card. Okay, you see the data of the LED screen has been transferred, and here shows the basic information of the LED screen, the driving mode, the driving IC. Yeah, the driving IC, and it refers to the refresh rate. Yeah, and next step is to click this send receiving card. Yes, send to receiving card, and then click save. Yeah, this is very important. Okay, next we will do this screen connection. Yes, screen connection. Here are the shows the numbers of the panel. Yeah, shows the numbers of the panel. You see, for this line, it shows the panel numbers in width, 6 panels, and this line shows the panel numbers in height. The height is 4 panels. Here you can see the resolution of one panel from this receiving card. You see, here shows the resolution of one panel. You see. And then you need to make sure the resolution here conforms to the resolution shown in the receiving card. They should be same. Yeah, they should be same. So next we will connect the panels with each other, and the connecting direction and the connecting width should be same as the connecting width of the signal cables and the power cables at the back of the LED screen. And after you have connected the diagram, please click this send to receiving card. Yes, send to receiving card, and you will see the LED screen. It shows an integrated part. Yeah, it shows an integrated image. You see, you can check from this diagram, there are two main signal cables. One signal cable shows the green lines and one signal cable shows the yellow lines. So final step is to click the save. Yeah, save. This step is very important. So now the configuration is finished. And for the video processor, we have a function called one key to zoom. Yeah, one key to zoom. And you see, for this, now the LED screen didn't display an integrated part. You can check this. This is a control computer, and this is an integrated part. But you see, in the LED screen, the image is not integrated. So at this time, we can adjust the image through the function in the video processor. It is called one key to zoom. It's this one. It marked the scale. Yeah, the scale. And this is the function one key to zoom. And press it. You can check the LED screen. It displays an integrated image. So this function is very, very convenient. So now the whole installation and the configuration has been finished. And you see this LED screen, the size is 3 meters in width and 2 meters in height. And for the panel quantity, there are 6 panels in width and 4 panels in height. So totally 6 square meters and 24 panels. Yeah. And for the control system, it is from Novastar. Yeah, Novastar, and the control is synchronous control. And we use the video processor also from Novastar, and we can provide the full solution. Yeah, full solution. Not only the LED screen, but also the matched accessories. Yeah, the cables, the connecting plates, the back bracket, and the screws, the video processors, and many other accessories. Just the control computer. Yeah, the control computer, you need to prepare yourself. And if you have demand for the LED screen, and welcome to contact us. Contact our online staff or send inquiry to us, and we will customize the full solution and make detailed quotation for your reference. And in case you are satisfied with our quotation and our products, welcome to place order from us. We are always here to be at your service. Okay?